In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add funds to your Apple account on your iPhone. To add funds to your Apple account on your iPhone, it's very simple. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your Apple Store. So once you log into your App Store, it will show you something like this. I want you to check the top right corner. You are going to see a profile picture over there. I want you to tap on that profile picture. So once you tap on that profile picture, I want you to look down here. You are going to see where it says add funds to Apple account. So I want you to tap on that add funds to Apple account. So once you tap on add funds to Apple account, it will load up another page for you. So once it loads up this page for you, you just want to select the amount you want to fund. So in my own case, it's asking me to choose, and if you want to fund any money that is less than or greater than any money that is displayed here, you can just choose other. Once you tap on other, just enter the amount you want to fund, and once you enter the amount you want to fund, you just want to tap on next under here, and it will be deducted from your account linked to this Apple account, and it will be credited to your Apple account on your iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually add funds to your Apple account on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.